Good morning everyone. In previous video, we have studied what is planning, meaning, definition of planning and importance of planning. In that we have studied total 3 importance of planning. That is, planning helps to set clear objectives, planning provides a path of action, planning improves performance. It helps to set a clear objective means planning helps to set an objective targets and formulate a plan which in turn will help an organization to clear its objective. Second point, provides path of action. It's ensure the goal or objectives. Therefore, planning helps to guide which will help an organization to decide a course of action. Third, planning improves performance. Planning helps a manager to improve the performance of an employee. It helps to select a best course of action which leads to an efficient working of the employees due to proper planning, and employees can work according to the guidelines. This will results in improvement in performance which will help an organization to earn a higher profit. Now, our fourth importance of planning is minimize the risk. Planning is based on forecasting techniques. It is a process of looking into the future and anticipating the future changes. By deciding in advance the task to be performed, so planning helps to reduce the risk. How it will reduce the risk of the organization? Planning means forecasting the technique, or by forecasting technique a company can reduce the risk. It will help an organization to perform a task according to the plan which will reduce the risk in the organization. Changes or risk cannot be eliminated. Therefore, an organization has to tackle with the preventive measure. So planning or by forecasting, a company can reduce the risk or can eliminate the risk, not totally, but it helps to eliminate the risk. Fifth point is, or fifth importance of planning is, planning leads to optimum utilization of resources. Planning helps an organization to use the resources properly. Organizational plans are prepared by taking into consideration the availability of resources and proper allocation of resources for various activity. So organizational plans are prepared by taking all the available resources and proper allocation of resources. It facilitates optimum utilization of resources, which brings higher efficiency and better result. One can avoid wastage with the help of proper plan. Sixth point is, it helps in decision making. There are various alternatives in front of the manager. For achieving goals, planning helps the manager or management to select the best alternative. Decisions are taken after selecting the alternative course of action to achieve a predefined goal. It helps the manager to take a rational decision. Seventh point is, useful in setting the standards for controlling. Planning set out standards for controlling, so actual performance can be compared with the standards and manager can find out the deviation. Deviation means there may be many changes. So planning set out the standard for controlling. So actual performance can be compared with the standard and the manager can find out the deviation. If any between the actual and standard, if there will be any changes between the actual and standard performance, it can be found out. Such deviation can be bridged by taking controlling steps. Therefore, planning provide basis for control. It is also important for maintaining discipline at working place of the organization. So, planning helps in setting the standard for controlling what to do and what not to do. These standards can be found out with the help of deviations, and these deviations can be measured by seeing the actual and the standard performance. Next point is facilitate coordination of all activities. Planning facilitates the coordination of activities. It reduces overlapping among activities. So it helps with coordination of activities. It reduces the overlapping among activities. Overlapping means after planning what will come organizing, after organizing what will come staffing, then directing, then coordinating, then controlling. It reduces the overlapping of activities. All activities of business organization are closely linked with each other, which is considered in the process of planning. Sound planning interrelates all activities and resources of an organization. Thus, various departments work as per the overall plan and coordination. Ninth point is facilitate other management functions. As planning is the basic functions of all function of management, it facilitates other management function also. Every organization function towards achieving goals or goal is set at the planning stage. Unless the plan is ready, other functions of management such as organizing, staffing, etc. cannot be undertaken. Thus, planning facilitates all the other function of management, means it is a basis for all the other function of management. If you have to organize, first you have to plan. If you want to select a staff, you have to plan. If you want to direct a staff, you have to plan. So planning is a base for all the other functions of management. 10th point is it promotes innovative ideas. Planning is a basis function or basic functions of management. It is a process of decision making which involves promotion of innovative idea after critical thinking. As it is an intellectual process, it mainly depends on your mind or thinking process. So it is a decision making process which involves promotion of innovative ideas after critical thinking. Ultimately, this innovative plans result into attainment of goals of the organization. It is the most challenging activity for the management as it guides all the future course of actions leading to growth and prosperity of the organization. So, planning helps to promote innovative ideas. It also guides all the future course of actions leading to growth and prosperity of the organization. In short, planning plays a very important role in every walk of life of an organization as of an individual. Future is highly uncertain and business environment is ever changing in nature. So with the help of proper planning, the risk and uncertainties can be minimized. Hence, planning is the basic requirement of any organization for survival, growth and success. Planning function is mainly done by top level management. Rest we will continue in next lecture or next video. Thank you.